Now, with a super chamois, you can open them up and cut them. All different sizes. They're washable, they're bleachable, they're reusable. They won't scratch your paint, they won't strip your wax. No streaking, no smearing, no smudging. They're all lint free and they'll last you 3 to 4 years. Now, let me show you how it works. It's not only great for the car, but it has many uses for your home. After you wax your car, thousands of beads get on your car. When you use a leather chamois, it pushes the liquid back and forth. It really doesn't absorb anything. See, the super chamois is the world's most absorbent fabric, acts like a sponge, and it works like a vacuum. It also works in another way. Say if you have a large area, open up the chamois to its length. Always go in one direction. Go right down the length of the car or the boat. You can wash, wax, or dry it with the same chamois. Now, every time you squeeze them, you clean them, it retains 30 times its weight in liquid. Now, if you use paper towels, you spend a lot of money. I'm going to show you how to save a few hundred. Say, for instance, you had a bad storm. You left the window of the car open. Maybe defrosting your refrigerator. Water gets on the bottom of the refrigerator. Maybe you're taking a shower, you left the curtain up. Or maybe your boat is sinking. You don't want to drown. Look how super absorbent it becomes. See, it becomes like a water magnet. Picks it right up, locks it right in. Won't drip or dribble like the sponges, and is great for your ceilings. But the most impressive part is the carpet test. I'm sure you had some spills on your carpet. Does anybody have any pets or monsters in your house? Excuse me, youngsters, monsters, rugrats, Rover, the golden reliever, not retriever, Spot with the wet tail. He's on time, you're not on time. Holy chamois, I'm having a flood here. Why didn't you tell me, sir? You know what the problem is? It's not on the top of the carpet, it's the bottom. Down to the floorboard, down to the padding. What am I going to do? What's the first thing you reach for when you spill a drink? Another drink. Now, Rosie in the back, she said, use the bounty. That's the quicker picker-upper. Now, we're here to make a point. We're not here to make a mess. You can press and press and press. It's not very absorbent. It pushes it further through the carpet. It almost makes a trail to the next house. Forget about it. That's cash in the trash. So what we do, we get the super chamois. I'm going to show you how super absorbent it is. Always use it damp. Never use it dry. You see when I press down? That's called capillary action as it absorbs it up. Now, we do this twice. We don't want to keep you waiting. You should do it at least 3 to 4 times. Now, if you have any bad odors in your carpet, 20 ounces of water, 2 tablespoons of baking soda. You have any bad pet odors, add 1 ounce of white vinegar to what I just said. And remember, stand on the chamois, not on the pen. Now, the first time I do it, over 80% that spill is absorbed. That is about 15% left. I want everybody to watch carefully. Keep on pressing firmly, directly right on the spill, and I'm going to show you the end result. Now take a look at that. That's bone dry. If you want to squeeze it, you won't get anything out of it. If that was the last glass my friend was drinking, what would you do, sir? Sneak it right back in his glass? He would know the difference. I'm just kidding,